I've gone from about 22% body fat and I'm down to about 12% body fat, so pretty much half the percentage of my body fat, which is a great result, and I can't wait to keep achieving more. Hi, my name's Phillip and I came to Mind Performance Health because I really wanted to achieve muscle gain and burn a bit of that belly fat. I recommend it to others because you feel more energetic and you really want to do more with your life, and every day you feel like you're achieving more and more. From start to finish, you always feel like there's more to do and more to achieve, and that's why I think I'd recommend it to others. I've done a lot of research in the beginning. You have everything down pat from the beginning, so you got the start program where you're actually learning how to eat properly and maintain and burn extra fat, and you're also getting into the phase of learning how to do a routine and the proper program to get it sorted. Bailey's been a great trainer and really been motivating along the way to achieve things. You have constant guidance and you have a program on hand, so you're able to train and still know what to do through the program. And the program always changes to suit your needs. So if you're getting down to a certain body fat percentage, or if you're just trying to lose a little bit of weight, there's always constant guidance and changing the different programs.